In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert columns into Google Docs. Whether you're looking to format a specific section of your document or apply columns throughout the entire thing, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your Google Docs document. If you're working on a new document or editing an existing one, just make sure you have it up and running on your screen. Next, you'll need to decide on the section of text you want to format into columns. If you have a specific part of your document in mind, simply select that text. However, if you want the entire document to have columns, you can skip selecting specific text altogether, since this step is optional when formatting the whole document. Moving forward, direct your attention to the toolbar that runs across the top of your screen. You'll want to click on the Format menu located up there. This menu houses a variety of formatting options that can help customize your document's layout and presentation. Once you're in the Format menu, take a moment to hover your cursor over the Columns option in the drop-down menu. You don't need to click just yet. Simply hovering over it will bring up another set of options related to columns. Now, you're presented with the choice of how many columns you'd like to include in your document. Typically, you'll find options for 2 or 3 columns, which are quite standard for most formatting needs. Regardless of whether you're preparing a newsletter, a report, or any other type of document, choosing the right number of columns can greatly improve readability and aesthetics. A little pro tip: if you're unsure which column setup will work best, it's perfectly fine to experiment with different options. You can always go back and change the column format if it doesn't suit the content's intention or layout you're looking for. Google Docs makes it easy to adjust your options, and there you have it. Once you select the desired number of columns, Google Docs will automatically apply the changes to the text you've selected or the entire document, depending on your earlier choice. Take a moment to review the document and make sure it looks the way you envisioned. You can go back into the Format menu at any time to tweak these settings if necessary. With these easy steps, you've now mastered the skill of inserting columns into your Google Docs. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance the visual structure of your documents. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.